Alright homeowners, let's face it. Cleaning the toilet might not be glamorous, but it's one of those essential tasks we've got to do. A clean toilet doesn't just look better, it keeps your bathroom smelling fresh and prevents germs and stains from building up. And guess what? It doesn't take long if you do it the right way. Here's a straightforward step-by-step guide to cleaning your toilet like a pro, without the drama. First up, what do you need? Toilet bowl cleaner or disinfectant? Toilet brush, disinfecting wipes or bathroom spray, rubber gloves optional but recommended, paper towels or microfiber cloths. Step 1. Pour cleaner into the bowl. Start by applying a reliable toilet bowl cleaner around the inside of the bowl, especially under the rim. Let it sit for at least 5-10 minutes to break down any grime, stains, and germs. The longer it sits, the less elbow grease you'll need later. Step 2. Wipe the exterior. While the cleaner works its magic, grab some disinfecting wipes or a spray and cloth. Wipe down the tank, handle, lid, and seat. Don't forget the base of the toilet. Dust and hair love to gather there. Work from the cleanest areas to the dirtiest, then toss your wipes or wash your cloths immediately afterward. Step 3. Scrub the inside. Take your toilet brush and scrub the inside of the bowl. Focus under the rim and down in the drain hole where buildup hides. Give it a good thorough scrub until everything looks clean. For stubborn stains or mineral rings, sprinkle a little baking soda and scrub again. It works like a charm. Step 4. Flush and rinse the brush. Flush the toilet to remove the cleaner and grime. Hold the brush in clean water as it runs to rinse it off. Let the brush air dry before putting it back in the holder to prevent bacteria buildup. You can also spray the brush with a disinfectant and let it sit over the toilet for a few minutes before putting it away. Step 5. Final wipe for a sparkle. Give the seat and lid one last wipe down to ensure there is no residue or cleaner left. You're done. How often should you clean your toilet? A deep clean once a week is a good rule of thumb for a typical household. If the bathroom is high traffic or you have kids, do quick wipe downs a couple of times during the week. Final thoughts. Toilet cleaning isn't exactly thrilling, but it doesn't have to be awful. With the right tools and a quick routine, you'll keep your toilet fresh and ready for whatever life throws your way. It's one of those small chores that makes a big difference. No time to clean your toilet? Let Bear Brothers Cleaning handle it. Call 256-633-6332 or visit www.bearbrotherscleaning.com for a free quote, because your home deserves to be very clean.